क्वेसन चाहिँ स्टेडी स्टेट अफ पार्टिकलसँग रिलेटेड छ। सो a nozzle discharge a stream of water of a cross-sectional area A is equal to 100 mm square with a speed V is equal to 50 meter per second, and the stream is deflected by a fixed fan as shown in figure. A mass density of water rho is equal to 1000 kg per meter square. Determine the resultant force F exerted on the stream by the fixed fan. सो यो क्वेसन सल्भ गर्नुभन्दा पहिला वी हेभ टु नो स्टेडी स्टेट कन्डिसन भनेको के हो। स्टेडी स्टेट अफ पार्टिकल भनेको के हो भने स्टेडी स्टेट अफ पार्टिकलमा दि प्रपर्टिज लाइक भेलोसिटी एन्ड प्रेसर आर कन्स्टेन्ट। सो द भेलोसिटी अफ इनलेट इज इक्वल टु भेलोसिटी अफ आउटलेट। नाउ सोल्युसन, फर्स्ट गिवन the area A is equal to 100 mm square. So changing into meter square, 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So this is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Now the density rho is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube, and B is equal to 50 meter per second. We know M is a rho into B. B is a volume. So rho into A into X. So rho into A into X by T into T. So this is rho into A into B into T. This B is a velocity. So this implies M by T is equal to rho A B. So this is del M by del T is equal to rho A B. Now in this case del M by del T is equal to rho is 10 to the power 3 into A is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 into B is 50. So this is 5 kg per second. Now we are going to use the principle of impulse and momentum. So simply the principle of impulse and momentum is the initial momentum plus impulse is equal to final momentum. So initially the initial movement of water is del M B. And the movement of particle inside this nozzle is summation mi bi plus the short interval of time the impact is produced at that bending. So this is a Fy del T and this Fx del T, which is equal to this direction with del M B, and this angle is 60 degree, and this is summation mi bi. Now we apply the impulse and momentum principle. So in x direction, taking this as positive, del m v minus fx del t is equal to, this is del mv cos 60 degree. This is del mv cos 60 degree, and this is del mv sin 60 degree, or dividing both side by del t, dm by del t b minus fx is equal to dm by dt b cos 60 degree, or dm by dt is rho ab, that is 5 into b is 50 minus fx is equal to 5 into 50 cos 60 degree. So fx is equal to 5 into 50 minus 5 into 50 cos 60 degree. So this is 250 minus 125, so 125 Newton is a fx. Now for y direction, taking upward as a positive, fy del t is equal to del mb sin 60 degree, or fy is equal to del m by del t b sin 60 degree. So this is 5 into b is 50 into sin 60 degree. So this is 250 into sin 60 degree, 250 into sin 60 degree. So this is 216.506 Newton. Now the resultant force exerted, F is equal to root under fx square plus f of y square. So this is 125 whole square plus 216.506 whole square. So this is square plus 125 square root under 62500. This is 250 Newton. So the resultant force exerted on the steam by a fixed vane is 250 Newton, which is the correct answer.